My dear deans and energetic and enthusiastic students, good afternoon for each and every one of you. I am very happy to address about the responsibility of casting your votes. The Election Commission of India has given schedule for Special Summary Revision 2021, where persons who have attained the age of 18 on or before 1st January 2021 can enroll your names in electoral roll. So I am very sure all of you are completing your 18 years of age. So I kindly request you to enter yourself to cast your vote. So take seriously, and according to the statistics of Vellore, 46,264 young people are present between the age of 18 and 19, and among the 46,264, 25,785 are come to the category of students. So you also coming under one of these category, come under students. So don't forget to enroll yourself to cast your vote for this coming election. The link is available in our college website. So you can go to our college website link and you can register your name and all the other documents whatever is needed. So I wish you all the best. I am very sure as a student of Auxilium College you will be very responsible and you will be very committed to our country, to cast your vote and to enroll yourself. So I wish you all the best and God's blessings on each and every one of you. Thank you and have a pleasant day.
வணக்கம். நான் முனைவர் கோ செந்தில் செல்வி, உதவி பேராசிரியர் தமிழ்துறை மற்றும் நம் கல்லூரியின் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வெல்ஃபேர் டீனாக பொறுப்பேற்று பணியாற்றி வருகின்றேன். இன்று நாம் அனைவரும் இணையத்தின் வழி இணைந்துள்ளோம். வாக்குரிமை நம்முடைய ஜனநாயக உரிமை. இது நாம் அனைவரும் அறிந்ததே. அந்த வாக்குரிமையை பெற இந்திய குடிமக்களாகிய நாம் ஒவ்வொருவரும், அதாவது 18 வயது பூர்த்தி ஆனவர்கள் தம்முடைய பெயர்களை பதிவு செய்வது மிகவும் அவசியம். வாக்குரிமை குறித்த விழிப்புணர்வு தகவல்களையும் வாக்குரிமையை பதிவு செய்வதன் அவசியத்தையும் எடுத்துரைக்க வருகின்றார் நம் கல்லூரி ஆங்கிலத்துறை உதவி பேராசிரியர் மற்றும் டீனாக பொறுப்பேற்று பணியாற்றி வருகின்ற டாக்டர் கலைசெல்வி RH அவர்களை வாக்குரிமை குறித்த தகவல்களை எடுத்துரைக்க அழைக்கின்றேன். நன்றி.
Good morning, students. Now you know why we have gathered here. The Election Commission of India has given a schedule for Special Summary Revision 2021, where persons who have attained 18 years on 1/1/21 can enroll their names in electoral roll. The Election Commission of India has instructed that all eligible voters have to be enrolled. You got this, right? Well, I'm sure many of you will be 18 years by January 2021. And the importance of enrolling your names in the voters list is quintessential. The importance of voting is known to you already, no doubt about it. But today, you will watch 2 videos on this electoral campaign. The videos are prepared by our own students of NSS team. And so you will just watch the videos and you will understand the importance of voting. So sit back and watch the videos. I sincerely thank the NSS unit of Auxilium College for preparing such wonderful videos. Well, hope you're clear with the need of enrollment of your names. Please understand the need of the enrollment and the voter enrollment has been made easy now and can be done through www.nvsp.in and voter helpline mobile app. You can even go to your respective polling booth for enrollment, get help from them. Hope you're clear with enrollment, students. I'm sure in Auxilium College, no eligible voters will be left out without enrollment. Have a nice day and get back to us if you have any doubts. Thank you.
My dear students, good afternoon. Voting is not only our right, it is our power. Every student should have the responsibility to cast the votes. Students, please enroll yourself to cast the votes. Thank you.